Hey y'all, Ryan Nicolaitis with MarineMax in Dallas. Today we are looking at the brand new 2025 Mastercraft XT22. Three-tone color, she's gorgeous. On the stern we have this optional swim step platform, and on the transom we have these gorgeous two-tone flip-up seats. I went ahead and flipped one up so you can see the difference. Completely optional for you guys. This boat is incredible. It is powered with Surfstar, which is leading market in making the best waves and wake technology. Thousands of options, customizable. All right, y'all, this boat's interior is next level. If you look at the details throughout, the different sea deck patterns, how they incorporated everything, the texture, the craftsmanship and comfortability and ergonomics of this boat are amazing. The charging ports, the cup holders, the phone chargers and phone holders, the speakers all throughout. If you want to impress on the lake, this is the boat to do so. Super spacious bow for a 22-foot boat. There's optional sun pad that you can put in the front, keep the kids up there. And throughout the rest of the boat, it is completely customizable to face the back, to see the show, the wake surfing, the waves, everything that this boat has to offer, from wake surfers that are beginning to super skilled. Also comes with that rear view camera so that captain can go ahead and keep an eye on him the whole time. You guys got to come in and see this. My name's Ryan Nicolaitis. Let's get you out on the water.